Did you know that in the UK we use 2.5 billion paper cups every year and we recycle less than 0.5% of that? Paper cups are valuable. They are made from virgin paper, which when recycled correctly can be turned into high quality paper products. Here at Lakeside, we can use up to 2,000 paper cups a week. This is 100,000 cups a year. At the current moment, we don't recycle any of them because we don't have the facility to do so. However, now we have created a system that will help us change that with your help. Join us into the hashtag Lakeside Cupcycle, and together we can make a difference. There are 3 easy steps to follow. 1 is dispose the lid into the black bin with the purple label. 2, empty any remaining liquid into the black bin with the blue label. 3, recycle your empty paper cup into the black bin with the orange label. It is very important to remember that in order to recycle the paper cup successfully, we need to make sure that they are not contaminated. There is no remaining food or liquid in them, or the lid, or a straw. They all need to be removed. Otherwise, it will spoil the whole load and nothing will get recycled. I'm excited to share that here at EcoDrift we can provide you with a paper cup recycling stations for your office or campus to help you recycle most of your paper cups and make a difference.